In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off Auto Update Adobe Acrobat Pro DC for Mac. If you prefer to control when software updates are installed, maybe to avoid interruptions during work, maintain compatibility with plugins, or manage bandwidth, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to switch off automatic updates in Acrobat Pro DC while keeping things secure and organized. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your Mac. Make sure the application is active, so you can access its top menu bar. You'll see the app name in the menu bar at the very top of your screen. Next, go to the Acrobat Pro menu in the top left corner and choose Preferences. If you like shortcuts, you can press Command+K to open the Preferences window instantly. This is the central place where Acrobat stores all of its settings, so it's a good one to remember. On the left side of the Preferences window, you'll find a list of categories. Scroll down until you see Updater and click it. The Updater section controls how Acrobat handles software updates in the background, including whether it downloads them automatically or waits for your permission. Now select the option that says Do not download or automatically install updates. This setting tells Acrobat to stop fetching updates on its own. So you won. Be surprised by prompts or restarts at inconvenient times. It doesn't remove your ability to update. It simply puts you in the driver's seat, so you can choose the right moment to do it. Once you've selected that option, click OK to save your changes. Depending on your Mac's security settings, you might be prompted to enter your Mac password to confirm the change. Go ahead and authenticate if asked. That confirmation ensures only authorized users can adjust how software updates are handled on your device. A couple of quick tips to keep things running smoothly, even with auto updates turned off. It's smart to check for updates periodically so you still receive important security patches and feature improvements on your schedule. When you are ready to update, you can use Acrobat's built-in update tools from the menu when it's convenient for you. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.